Hey guys, it's Kelly with Goals, and today I want to talk to you about having gratitude. Sometimes in life we have troubles, disappointments, and even setbacks, and it may seem like nothing is ever going to go right, which can make us feel like we're cut off from our goals and dreams that we're trying to accomplish, making so many of us just want to give up, thinking it's never going to happen, it's not meant to be, or I just can't go on. And this is really when gratitude, being grateful, and having thanks will really change your whole perspective. And as Norman Vincent Peele said, the more you practice the art of thankfulness, the more you'll have to be thankful for. This means looking at everything in your life that you truly have appreciation and gratitude for, like having food in your cupboard, having a warm place to sleep, or having someone that loves you and appreciates you. So maybe some things aren't so great for you in other parts of your life, but no matter who you are, where you come from, or where you live, we all have something, in fact, a ton of things to be grateful for. And as Willie Nelson said, when I started counting my blessings, it really turned my whole life around. You see, having daily gratitude, whether that's writing down all the things that you're grateful for, or whether you speak it aloud, will show you the abundance of things in your life, and it will open your eyes to the other things around you. And especially when you're trying to achieve goals or accomplish things, the little things that come along, like mistakes you make, little roadblocks, or even obstacles, you'll just push right through them because it's no big deal when you truly have gratitude for what you have in your life. Now, I remember as a kid, my parents were very strict, or so I saw it. And anytime I wanted to go hang out with friends, go to the skating rink, or go to the mall, especially as I got older into my teens, my parents were very strict. They wanted to know who's going to be there, who's going to bring you home, who are these people that you want to be around, who are their parents. I didn't appreciate it at the time. I kind of was embarrassed because none of my other friends had such strict parents. But the older I've become, and certainly with the way things are in the world, I truly appreciate and have gratitude for just how much concern my parents had. And that's truly what it was. It was concern. I'm their only child. They certainly didn't want me to just go out, run amok, and hang out with anybody out there. And now I see that as an adult. And that is one of the things that I'm grateful for every day. Having that daily gratitude will also boost your self-esteem. It will increase how happy you are overall. It'll actually make you healthier as well. So when you're looking down in the mouth and you don't think anything's going right, try counting your blessings, and you'll see that you truly do have so much to be thankful for and so many to be appreciative of. So remember, Thanksgiving isn't just one Thursday in November. We should have Thanksgiving gratitude, gratefulness every day. Try practicing it. In fact, if you're going to write them down, you might need a whole notebook. And if you say them aloud, I say them as I'm driving into the office. Like, I'm so grateful and thankful that I have a warm vehicle to drive in. I'm so thankful and grateful for this beautiful day, and so on and so on. And as you do this, you will find so many things to be grateful for and appreciative. And it's going to make, like I said, those little challenges that will confront you seem so small, and you'll be able to just brush them right aside. I hope this has helped. Practice your daily gratitude, and we'll see you next time.